Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about this app cannot be installed because the integrator could not be verified. Guys, if you are facing this problem, please watch this video till end. First of all, open setting application. You can see appear on the screen, and here now tap on screen time. Now guys, scroll down. Now content and privacy section. Now tap on allowed apps. Here guys, and now Safari is turned off. Now turn on from here. Now tap on iTunes and App Store, and here installing app, you can see don't allow selected. Tap on allowed, and here now go back, and now turn off from here, and now go back one more and scroll down and search Safari. You can see appear on the screen here. Now tap on Safari, sorry, tap on Safari, and now scroll down. Here you will find clear history and website data. Clear here, close tab and close this window, and open Safari browser. You can see appear on the screen, and search any application you want to download in your iPhone. I am searching OLX here. Now tap on it, OLX Pakistan, and now scroll down, and here tap on install. Now wait a few seconds. Here you can see appear on the screen OLX Pakistan is downloading, and you can see appear on the screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.